Practice reading sentences begins with did you. Children, let's read. Follow this pointer. Did you hear the birds singing in the morning? Let's repeat, children. Did you hear the birds singing in the morning? Did you see the rainbow after the rain? Did you see the rainbow after the rain? Did you know that bees make honey from flower nectar? Did you know that bees make honey from flower nectar? Did you dance like nobody was watching? Did you dance like nobody was watching? Did you learn a new word today? Did you learn a new word today? Did you dream of flying like a superhero? Did you dream of flying like a superhero? Did you draw a picture of your favorite animal? Did you draw a picture of your favorite animal? Did you count the colorful balloons at the party? Did you count the colorful balloons at the party? Did you watch the stars twinkle in the night sky? Did you watch the stars twinkle in the night sky? Did you feel the soft fur of a bunny? Did you feel the soft fur of a bunny? Did you touch the cool sand at the beach? Did you touch the cool sand at the beach? Great work, children!